Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Max IELTS Tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of our channel, then please subscribe our channel. In our previous video, we had an overview of the pattern of writing test for both academic and general version of IELTS. In today's video, we shall explore the pattern of general and academic reading test. Like IELTS writing, IELTS reading also has different patterns for academic and general versions. The reading paper consists of three different sections and a total of 40 questions, and you will be given 60 minutes to complete this section. The texts are authentic and academic in nature, but written for a non specialist audience. They are similar to the type of text you may find in newspapers or magazines. The style may be descriptive or argumentative, and at least one text contains detailed logical arguments. Text may contain illustrations. If a text contains technical terms, a simple glossary is provided. The three texts are graded from easiest to most difficult. You must transfer your answers onto a separate answer sheet for which no extra time will be given. Now, let us discuss in detail about the section wise division of IELTS General Reading Test. The first section consists of two reading passages whose length is 300 to 400 words, followed by 13 or 14 questions. The type of text under this section may be public notices like a change in traffic, or yellow pages ad, or a newspaper ad from the classified section. Talking about the second section, you may have either one or two reading passages whose length would be 600 words, which is followed by 13 or 14 questions. The type of text which you may face under this section are instructions, procedures, or policy documents. That is, you may be given instructions about how to use a particular product or procedure of how to make a particular dish or any policy documents like insurance or a warranty document. Moving to the section 3, you will have only one passage which would be very lengthy. It may be a passage of 1000 words followed by 13 or 14 questions. This section is the most difficult section. This section will play an important role in the overall band score you are going to achieve in this section. The type of text under this section are historical articles, environment based articles, health and education related articles, socio-cultural articles, or articles based on new trends and studies. The only difference between the general and academic pattern is the type of text which you will have and the number of passages under each section. Now, let's go through the academic reading pattern. Under section 1 of the IELTS academic reading test, you will have one reading passage of 800 words followed by 13 or 14 questions. Your section 2 will also have one reading passage of 800 words followed by 13 or 14 questions. The final section will have a single reading passage of 1000 words followed by 13 or 14 questions. Since the academic version is taken by candidates who want to pursue their higher education or the ones who want to take up their professional front, the reading passages will be based on research, journals, and study in the field of environment, health, education, history, nature and science, and engineering and technology. Like in general version, we don't have any specific genre for every section. There are major skills being tested in an IELTS reading test. Initially, you are assessed if you are able to exactly comprehend what is given in the passage, and if you're able to identify the writer's overall purpose, and if you're able to follow key arguments in a text. You will also be tested if you are able to identify opinions or attitudes if you can locate specific information. The candidate will also be tested if he is able to distinguish main ideas from supporting details and extract information from a text to complete a diagram, summary table, or a set of notes. We shall now discuss the types of questions which will be asked in a reading test. The first type is multiple choice questions. You will be given few options for every question and you will have to select the correct option from the given alternatives. And the second type of question is identifying whether the given information is true, false, or not given with respect to the content of the passage. Third type of question is yes, no, not given. If the given statement agrees with claims or views of the writer, then it should be marked as yes. If it disagrees with the views or claims, then it should be marked as no. If there is no information, then it should be marked as not given. There are four different matching type questions: matching information, matching heading, matching features, and matching sentence ending. For a matching information question, you will have to match information given in the question to a paragraph in the text. For a matching heading question, you will match the heading given in the question with the respective paragraphs in the text. For a matching feature type of a question, you will have to match a list of statements to a list of possible answers that is given in the question. For a matching sentence ending question, you must complete a sentence with a suitable word ending from the list of possible answers given in the question. The fifth type of question is completing notes, summary table, or a flowchart within the suitable words from the given text. The sixth type of question is to label a given diagram with suitable words from the text. The last type of question which you may come across is short answer questions. Hope you have got a detailed picture of the pattern of IELTS general and academic reading test. In our next video, we will be exploring the pattern of IELTS listening test. Like and share our video if it was informative. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Click on the bell button to receive notification of our upcoming videos. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages.